Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new to my channel, then welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you guys love the content that I create, then please do consider subscribing to my channel, like today's video, share with your friends and family, comment down below, and also please hit on the notification bell so you guys are notified every single time I upload a new video. So guys, for today's tutorial I have created this olive smoky eye. So if you like it and want to know how to achieve it, then as always please continue watching. So guys, before jumping into the tutorial, I want to quickly talk about this new launch from Kiro. So Kiro has launched their face serums, okay, in 4 variants, and I have these 2 variants with me. So the first one is their 10% vitamin C face serum for radiant glow, and it evens out your skin tone, and this serum is priced at 700 rupees. The other one is their 3% hyaluronic acid face serum, which gives intense hydration and healthy glow. Now the price of this serum is 650 rupees, and guys, both these products are PETA certified, vegan, cruelty free, toxin free and paraben free. So this is the outer carton guys. Let me show you the bottle. So this is the packaging guys. So these are our bottles. I am in love with the packaging. It looks super cool, very cool packaging. So guys, Kiro face serums are created with science-backed formulations and are infused with natural ingredients, and the active ingredients in these serums are high on purity level. The purity level of the hyaluronic acid is 97.6%, and the purity level of vitamin C face serum is 99%. The Kiro 3% hyaluronic acid face serum reduces puffiness, hydrates, it is rich in antioxidants, promotes collagen synthesis, and it is anti-inflammatory. And the Kiro 10% vitamin C face serum makes your skin radiant. It has anti-aging properties, it is anti-inflammatory, and it reduces skin melanin and hyperpigmentation. And the pH level of this vitamin C serum is between 4 to 5, and the pH level of this hyaluronic acid is 5 to 6. These are high quality products but competitively priced. I personally love Kiro makeup products guys. They perform so well, they are of high quality, and I'm so happy that Kiro finally ventured into skincare as well. So I'm super thrilled, and I hope they come up with more new launches. So guys, I will be leaving the link of these serums in the info bar so you can go ahead and purchase. So guys, today I will be not using any primer. Instead, I will be using these 2 serums. So first I will be going in with their vitamin C face serum. And now on top of it, I will be going in with my hyaluronic acid face serum. The texture is very light guys, and it quickly gets absorbed into the skin. Okay, so now let's begin with our makeup. So this one is my Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops. It is in the shade Sunlight, okay? I know it looks like a lot, but don't worry. Going in with my Huda Beauty 4 Filter Foundation in the shade Baklava. For concealer, I'm applying my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer. It is in the shade, what, medium? Yeah, it is in the shade 130 Medium. Guys, I'm going to set my concealer with Huda Beauty's Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder. It is in the shade Blondie. For blush, I'm applying my MAC's Peaches Blush. This is my K Beauty's Illuminating Highlighter. It is in the shade Sunlit Gold. I'm going to spray some MAC Fix Plus. And now I'm going to finish one set of my eye makeup, and I'll be right back. तो आज फाइनली दिन आ ही गया है कि जहाँ पर मैं अपना ये हुडा ब्यूटी का खाकी हेज आई शैडो पैलेट यूज़ कर रही हूँ। जब से मैंने इसे ख़रीदा है तब से मैंने इसे यूज़ ही नहीं किया, so it is my very first time today using this eyeshadow palette. I love the shades of this eyeshadow palette, guys. So look at the eyeshadows. Absolutely love the color story. Very, very pretty. Let's begin. First, I will be going in with this pink salmon eyeshadow, applying it all over my lid. Now I'm going in with this khaki eyeshadow. And now bringing it inwards, okay? I'm just going to buff the edges. Now on my lid, okay, I will be going in with this eyeshadow. So I'm just going to spray some of my MAC Fix Plus on this brush. Now guys, in the center I will be going in with this eyeshadow, okay? I just want this to pop a little bit, that's why going in with this one. I'm going to follow the same technique, taking it on this brush and spraying it. But for this eyeshadow I will be going above my crease and applying it in the center. Now guys, I will be taking Kiro's High Definition Soothing Eyeliner Pencil. It is in the shade Sapphire Blue. It has vitamin E and argan oil in it. It's a really beautiful blue eyeliner. Now I'm going to darken this eyeliner, but I will be just applying it till halfway, okay? Now I'm going to take this eyeshadow and apply it on my inner corner, and I'm going to pull it upwards. So guys, this is my Kiro's Botanico Super Shield Mascara. It has avocado oil plus calendula extract in it. So guys, I'm done with my eye makeup. I just have to wear my false eyelashes. These are my Euro Paris eyelashes in number 53. And then I'll come back for my lip color. So I'm done wearing my eyelashes. Now let's move on to our lip color. But guys, before applying a lip color, I will be quickly applying my Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. It is in the shade medium. Now this is my Morphe Y14 brush. I will be applying this powder under my eyes and on my T-zone. So this is my Kiro's Lush Moist Matte Lipstick. It is in the shade Dusty Peach. Love this color, very beautiful. Last but not least, I will be again spraying my MAC Fix Plus.